guys, today I'll be showing you some 1v1.LOL pranks, and it might be laggy or it might not be. It'll probably be laggy. Sorry, there's so much people around me. I'm at school. So, okay, watch this. Oh my god, this is too high. Wait. Oh god, sorry, it's so laggy. Oh, what are these?
It took me same amount of time. 3 years. Like I did a thing. So I started July
Oh my god, what are these? I swear these aren't that good because my computer's so laggy. Man, I'm only on a Chromebook. With very bad internet, guys. Oh, can you, by the way, guys, can you send me a friend request on Fortnite? My name's Lurkin234, same as my YouTube account. Okay, thanks guys. Come back. I'll post some other videos. Like, subscribe, and see you later. Bye.